Hey there, tiny tycoons and mini moguls. It's your friendly neighborhood Small Woet here, ready to uncover the ultimate secrets to making that extra dough. Grab your snacks, your favorite Lucky Charm, and brace yourself for a roller coaster ride through the world of side hustles. Now, before we dive into the treasure trove of side hustle gold, let's have a reality check. Who couldn't use a little extra cash, am I right? I mean, who wouldn't want to turn those couch coins into a down payment for a private island in the Bahamas? But hey, until then, let's aim for something a tad more realistic, like buying that extra cheese on our pizzas without calculating the budget twice. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to turn your spare time into spare change. Because here at Small Woet, we prove that good things come in small packages, even those fat stacks of cash. Let's hustle, baby. Side Hustle 1, Digital Opportunities. Let's kick things off with digital side hustles. In 2024, the digital world offers endless opportunities. Have you considered becoming a virtual assistant? With the rise of remote work, businesses are constantly seeking help with administrative tasks. Or how about starting a podcast? Podcasting has exploded in popularity, and it's a fantastic way to share your passion and expertise while potentially earning through sponsorships and ads. Side Hustle 2, Creative Ventures. If you have a creative flair, there are plenty of side hustles for you too. Have you thought about opening an Etsy shop? Handmade crafts, digital designs, or personalized items can find a market there. Additionally, freelance writing or graphic design services are in high demand as businesses seek captivating content and visuals to stand out in a crowded market. Side Hustle 3, Gig Economy and Services. The gig economy is thriving in 2024. Consider driving for a ride-sharing service, delivering food, or offering your skills on platforms like TaskRabbit. Dog walking or pet sitting can also be lucrative and enjoyable for animal lovers. And with the growing focus on sustainability, offering eco-friendly services such as composting or zero-waste consulting is an emerging trend worth exploring. Side Hustle 4, Real Estate and Investing. Real estate and investing can be great avenues for generating passive income. Have you thought about becoming an Airbnb host? If you have extra space, renting it out to travelers could earn you a significant income. Additionally, explore stock market investment, peer-to-peer lending, or real estate crowdfunding to make your money work for you. Side Hustle 5, Niche Consulting Services. In 2024, niche consulting services are gaining traction. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering consulting services. For instance, with the growing emphasis on mental health and wellness, becoming a mental health coach or consultant can be incredibly rewarding. You could provide guidance on stress management, mindfulness techniques, or even career counseling. Similarly, niche consulting in areas like sustainability, digital marketing for small businesses, or e-commerce optimization can offer a unique value proposition and attract clients seeking specialized knowledge. Side Hustle 6, Online Course Creation. Consider creating and selling online courses. With the rise of e-learning, people are eager to learn new skills from the comfort of their homes. If you excel in a particular area, be it coding, photography, cooking, or even language learning, creating an online course can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare offer fantastic opportunities to reach a global audience and monetize your expertise. Side Hustle 7, Social Media Management. Social media continues to be a powerhouse in marketing. If you have a knack for engaging content and understanding algorithms, offering social media management services to businesses could be your forte. Many companies seek individuals who can strategize, create, and manage their social media presence across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This side hustle allows you to unleash your creativity while helping brands expand their online reach. Segment 8, Renting Assets. Monetize your assets by renting them out. Do you have a high-quality camera, musical instruments, or even a parking space in a bustling area? Consider renting them out when you're not using them. Websites and apps exist specifically for renting various items, allowing you to earn passive income from your possessions while helping others save money. Side Hustle 9, Fitness Coaching or Training. Health and fitness remain a top priority for many people. If you're passionate about exercise, becoming a fitness coach or personal trainer could be an excellent side hustle. You can offer virtual training sessions, create personalized workout plans, or even host group fitness classes online. With the increased focus on well-being, your expertise in helping others achieve their fitness goals can be both rewarding and profitable. Side Hustle 10, Transcription and Translation Services. In a globalized world, there's a growing demand for transcription and translation services. If you're fluent in multiple languages or have a keen ear for detail, offering transcription or translation services can be a lucrative side hustle. You can transcribe audio files, translate documents, or even provide subtitling services for videos. Various online platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking these specific language-related services, providing ample opportunities to earn extra income. And that's a wrap on this episode of Small Woet's Side Hustle Showcase. We've journeyed through the wild world of side hustles, from selling seashells by the seashore to digitally dominating the dance floor. Who knew making extra cash could be this much fun, right? But hey, before you dash off to start your side hustle empire, let's do a quick recap. We've dabbled in everything from virtual ventures to real-world money makers, proving that in 2024, opportunities to fill that tiny wallet are endless. Now, my fellow hustlers, it's time for the grand finale, the call to action. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video as mind-bogglingly awesome as finding forgotten money in your jeans pocket. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Small Woet family for more quirky adventures in the land of hustles and high fives. Remember, the hustle never stops, and neither do the opportunities. Share this video with your friends, your neighbor's cat, or even that distant cousin who always borrows a few bucks and never returns them. Let's spread the side hustle love and help everyone's wallets grow, one clever idea at a time. And hey, in the comments below, let me know which side hustle got you all hyped up and ready to rock the world. Your ideas, your thoughts, let's create a Small Woet brainstorming party down there. Until next time, my fellow cash crusaders, keep hustling, keep smiling, and remember, it's not about the size of your wallet, it's about the size of your hustle. This is Small Woet signing off. Stay tiny, stay terrific, and keep hustling.